This is the last of my intended videos on this Claude Code introductory series. It's been a tool that I've been loving, and I'm glad to pass on this to you. And I want to give you a tool that will help you really shape Claude Code to your needs. But before I do that, I just want to say that the sweetest thing for me about doing these videos, it's only been like 5-6 videos, something like that, is the number of people who just keep walking up to me or sending me WhatsApp messages, letting me know about the Claude Code tools that they've been developing. And they haven't been developing it because they took what I said and ran with it. They just saw in my videos, oh, Dave, you're also in this space. Let me tell you about everything I've also been doing with Claude Code. And suddenly I found out that a whole bunch of my friends and neighbors who I didn't know were playing with the same tools that I've been playing with have also been going and creating things. And they've either shared verbally what they've been working on. Some of them have sent me links to try out the tools that they've made. So it's really cool to see this whole community expanding. I had no idea how many people were engaged in this. Now, it's vitally important that you don't just use Claude Code as it's given, but that you train it. Really, AI likes to get the job done as fast and efficiently as possible. So if you have Claude Code regular just installed, you ask it a question, it's going to rush to give you an answer. There's plenty of times I've wanted to brainstorm a process with it, and I said, okay, I want to make this. And the next thing I know, it had just gone and made it, and it did a really horrible job. I'm like, whoa, slow down. I didn't ask you to make it. I just was starting a dialogue. And so this is one of the things that Claude Code skills are great for. One of the skills I like is called Grill Me. It literally just goes and asks you question after question after question to get a more and more in-depth picture of what it is you want to create, so that by the time you say go, it really has that information there. There's so many other skills. You can go and download them online, but I created one called Onramp specifically for you to get started. This is a skill that is literally going to go and ask you all of the questions about who you are, what your business is if you have one, what you're hoping to accomplish with Claude Code to get the full picture. It's then going to write that information to a file. It's going to save it so that it always remembers exactly who you are and what you're hoping to do. And as it learns that you need certain skills, it's going to go and do that research, look around the internet, find pre-built skills, not just install them, but analyze them, find the elements that are important for you to have, and rebuild them as a custom skill. So to get this Claude skill Onramp, just go to tools.davemasonauthor.com. It's there. It's a free downloadable skill. Just click it, you'll download it, and follow the instructions to install it. And this should walk you through the process of how to be training Claude Code to be that tool it really can be for you. And again, as with all things AI, there's a lot of iterations that are needed. So I've already done a couple iterations of Onramp, but if you have comments, please leave them below. If you feel like there are things I should change, let me know. It is so fast iterating in this day and age with AI. So if there's a change that needs to be made, let me know, and I will try to push out even better and better versions. So best of luck with your Claude coding processes, and let me know what you create.